Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. I wanted to shoot this video real quick because something really cool happened today on Udemy. I want to show you how I just made 60 something dollars in just around 1 hour. And I sent one email out. So I sent an email out, and when I woke up this morning, this was zero. Okay. This was zero. It was not $60. That took me 5 minutes to create. I created a coupon for one of my courses. I sent out an email to my students, and then I made $60 within 1 hour. So it was really, 5 minutes of work, and I made $60. And I want to show you how I did that. So check this out. So I'm in my Udemy instructor dashboard, and I'm going to go over here to performance. I'm going to click on performance. I've zoomed in so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. So I'm almost approaching $5,000 on this account. You guys have seen this grow from $1,000 all the way to $5,000 now. This number right here at 181, that was like $115 this morning when I woke up. So it's starting to go up pretty high today, pretty quickly. So I'm still have a healthy instructor rating. And I have had 23,500 total enrollments. I have no free courses at the moment, and so I've had about 32 sales this month. But what I want to show you is what's happening and how I did this. How did I make $60 in 5 minutes of work, and it took about an hour to make these sales? I made a few sales. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go ahead and dive in real quick to revenue report. I'm going to show you what happened. So we come over here. I had no, if you look at promotions, right? Look at the different promotions. Once I started using this strategy, my promotions have started going up. And if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, over the last 5 months, I've really put this to practice. And I made $75 in June from my own promotions on Udemy. I made, in July, I made $88. I increased it. And then you'll see that we went up to $170 in August. And then what we had in September, $135. So really looking at this, almost topping the 200 will be my new record. And then this month, we're a little over halfway through the month, and I have not sent out any promotions this month. I usually like to send out 2 promotions per month to my students, right? And so this is just pretty cool. I wanted to show you because I know that, I keep up with some other instructors too that share their earnings and things like that. And you always get questions. I don't think I have a huge Udemy course creation or course creator following on this YouTube channel. But if you do, if you follow my PLR Profits Academy, I'll drop a link below. It goes over strategies on how to create Udemy courses and get them up based on PLR products. But first, if you want to learn how to make money using PLR products, I just launched my brand new course called PLR Profits Academy. In this course, I show you exactly how I make passive income month after month, year after year, using only PLR products. The course consists of over 3 hours of over-the-shoulder content and over 30 lectures. If you want to learn a real business model and earn steady income each month, then check out PLR Profits Academy by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get back to today's money-making strategy. So a lot of people ask, how do you promote your course once it's on Udemy? How do you get these self-promotions, right? And so I can pretty much just tell you what I did, right? And so if we come back over in here into October, I click on October, and you will see that I have 181 so far. And if we go to promotions, we're at 60. We're almost topping the Udemy Organic. And I've done this before where my promotions actually ended up being my largest type of sale on the platform, because Udemy breaks it down by, if someone was just searching on Udemy and goes ahead and buys a course, then it goes down as a Udemy Organic sale. If you have a YouTube channel, you have a link and someone clicks on it and then goes and buys the course, or you send out an email to your list and someone signs up to your course, then that's going to go under your promotions, and you get to keep like 97% of the profits. So you do want to get your own promotions. The Udemy Organic, they keep 50%, and then ad program and affiliate program, they keep 75% of the sale. And then you have only one refund this month. So check this out. When I woke up this morning, I made one coupon, and when I woke up this morning, this was $0. Okay, this was $0. It was not $60. So what I did was I created a quick email promotion, right? And within Udemy's platform, they will let you do this. You only get 2 promotional, and you can't send out external links. So I can't recommend them to a software or another product or anything like that. It has to be my own self-promotion on Udemy. So the smart way to do this is to promote a course, create a course coupon, and send it out to your list. And you saw that I had 23,000 students. I get to send out, try to sell a course to them and create a coupon. And then, so within, a 5-minute email that I created, I made $60, and it took me about, I logged in an hour later, and you can see right here on my screen that it is 1:34 right now. I created this at 1 o'clock because I'm going to go in here and I'll show you in my Gmail account. I'm going to blur out everything else so you don't see any of my other emails, but you can see right here, Udemy, your promotional announcement is on its way. They always give you a warning, or a kind of like they just let you know that it's fixing to be out. So it actually emailed out to my list around a little just after 12 p.m. my time. And it was about 1:15 when I had this $60 in the account. So just wanted to show you and answer any of those questions. If you are wondering, how do you self-promote on Udemy? Well, you can certainly create a YouTube channel and, create content like your courses, and then refer people to, if they want to learn more, they can go click on the link. And that's great. That's a good way to do it. But and then you can also, if you have an email list, and get response or Aweber or anything of that nature, you can also send it out to them. But within the Udemy platform, any students that you've obtained at any point, you're able to email them a couple times a month, and it's already a proven buyer, somebody that has already come on to Udemy and put their credit card information in and bought one of your courses. Chances are they're going to like your teaching style, and you're a student. They're a student of yours. So there is a larger likelihood that that they would buy a course from you. And all you're doing is just creating a coupon and letting them know, hey, do you want to pick it up? Great. If you don't, that's cool too. And you make sales. So hope you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to share this with you guys that, doing this online thing, sometimes it's just you got to share the exciting moments, right? When you send out, you create a coupon, you create an email, and in 5 minutes of work, you make $60. And if I didn't create that email this morning, I could have just went on about my business day and, not done this, and that would have been $60 that I would have missed out on. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because if you are a Udemy instructor or you want to start making money on Udemy or selling courses online, then follow my channel, because I will share my Udemy earnings at least once per month with you. And you can see my progress with where I'm at on my account and in my journey, my Udemy instructor income. Each month I will share that with you. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next Udemy video. Until next time, take care. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, which are packed with value. Also, click the video link in the top right, which will take you to my secret methods of making money with PLR products. No one teaches this. See you next time.